In this video, I will show how to automatically add commas to numbers in Excel. So like you have this type of numbers. Now you want to add automatically commas. So right click on it, format cells, select number, select this box, use 1000 separator as comma and make here 0 decimal places if you don't need. Then click on OK. Now drag and drop to apply this setting. Or select these all cells, right click on it, format cells, number. Now check this box and make it 0. Then click on OK. So we can see we have this automatically added comma. So thanks for watching.